Well, hello there, friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl, Latisha McKinney. All right, so today we're going to be doing 3 DIYs. We're going to totally freestyle with this thing. So I hope that you all enjoy this video, and everything we're going to pretty much use is going to be from the Dollar Tree. So here we go in today's tutorial. Okay, so I wanted to tell you all, this is more of a freestyle video, so I'm just having fun with it. But these are the wine glasses we're going to be using from the Dollar Tree, or you can get the ones from Walmart for 88 cents. Now, if you remember that DIY that we did, we're just going to remove the glitter and all that, and we're just going to be adding in some bling. Now, these are the wine glasses that we're going to be using, and all of them are from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is our rose gold brooch that we're going to be using. Now, I think this is going to be my last tutorial for about a while using rose gold. And this is the rose that we're going to use. A lot of you guys love it, but however, this is the last tutorial I'm going to use it in. Now, you're just going to remove the backing from off of this brooch, and then you're just going to hot glue it to the top. And I will let you all know how I feel about the DIYs as we go along in the video. So I'm not going to place this brooch like on either one of those because I want them to have their own particular color. So I'm going to take this brooch and I'm going to do it at the bottom, because see, if you place it at the top right here, like where all the bling stars, I don't like that. So I am just going to hot glue it to the bottom of the wine glass. Now this one is very pretty to me, everyone. This is very gorgeous, and I'm going to insert some pictures because the light is a bit bright to me and it's really dim outside, so I want to insert some pictures for you all. But this one is also beautiful to me as well for a centerpiece, so you don't have to use all the glitter and stuff in the inside. Just make it very simple. So we're going to go ahead and move on to our next DIY. Now this is what I did to the bottom of the wine glass. I just took that brooch and hot glued it on there. Then I took another brooch and hot glued it onto that brooch to make it stand out a little bit more. So now we're getting ready to move on to our next DIY. And I hope that you guys enjoy these 2 unique DIYs, because I'm very excited to show you what we're going to be doing with these 2 wine glasses. Now for the second one, make sure that you do clean your Dollar Tree wine glass off really good, because we're going to be placing a decal on it. Now I will make sure that I leave everything that we're using in all of these DIYs down below. So make sure that you do check the description box. Now this step is totally optional. You do not have to do this, but I wanted to because I want to do something very unique. Now I am going to add hot glue right to the top right here on the rim, and then I'm just going to take it around in a circular motion. Now this is the decal that we will be using. Now I'm showing you right here in that video how I place on my decals. So I'm just going to add a little bit more bling to it. So I'm going to use the self-adhesive stones on here. And you see that I messed up right there. So I'm just going to add a stone right there so everything can just balance out and look gorgeous. Now remember, I told you can pick these up at Walmart for only 97 cents. And they had come in little pretty colors, so I like them. Now, if you want to add some more stones to it, you can. However, I did just to make it stand out a little bit more, having fun with it. Now, with this one, with this rhinestone garland, I am going to go all the way around. Like I told you all before, I'm going to add hot glue to the rim, center, and where it ends. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I want you guys to look at it, and you can kind of get an idea of where I'm going with this. Now I see this imperfection right there. We're just going to cut it before we hot glue it. Now we have everything hot glued on there on our very top. And then we're just going to go ahead and hot glue right there. And then at the very bottom, like I told you all before. Now you can go all the way down with this if you want to. I will be adding a brooch here and then a brooch right there. And I'm going to also do something with the center. Now I like this. It's very beautiful. However, if it was my wedding or my event, I would not go with something fancy like this because it's too far away unless it's a smaller event. However, you can dazzle it up the way that you would like to. I do like that. Now remember, we're just freestyling and we're just having fun. Now, one thing I do want to point out, excuse me, that we're just going to do like the number 7. And if you guys notice, I use the number 7 a lot because that's one of my favorite numbers. But anyway, we're going to do a centerpiece using the number 7 as a centerpiece and also as a table number. I would advise, if you do use something fancy like this, is, you know, if it's a small event like a baby shower or something like that, that's when I would use something real fancy like this. However, if it's a larger event, then that's when you need to go with something larger. If you're going to use a centerpiece for your table number, then that's when you need to step up and then use a larger number with a larger centerpiece so you can save yourself some money. Okay, friends, so meet DIY number 3. So I did do the number 7. I added some stones on there, and this is the brooch that I chose. Now, I got this brooch from Walmart, and if you've been following me, I told you all that you can find some beautiful brooches anywhere from $1.97 all the way up to like $5.88. These are so beautiful if you're looking for something really quick, like you need something today. And I did this at the very bottom. I think this is beautiful. Just took some ribbon, tied it up in a knot, and then just placed that little brooch right there in the center. This is so beautiful. Okay, this is like my favorite one. I mean, maybe it's just me, but this is my favorite one. I absolutely love it. You can see it from a distance, and you're absolutely saving a lot of money. You do not have to use this large brooch like I did. That's just me. You guys know I just do stuff just to have a lot of fun. However, right here, you do not have to use that, you know, gold leafing pen. I will use the silver leafing pen, or you don't have to use it at all. But this is actually very beautiful, and you can place in the water beads and place a little light in there, and it will really look gorgeous for your event. Okay, friends, you tell me which one is your absolute favorite. I am just showing you guys some clips that you can use for your event or whatever you want to use it for. Just let me know down below. All right, friends, thank you so much for tuning in with us, and let me know again down below which one is your favorite. All right, friends, blessings abundantly, and guess what? I will see you all in the next one.